Dear children, you are welcome to watch this grammar class. Today, I am going to discuss a grammar chapter 3, time and tense from your book. It is given your 9th class grammar book and published by Board of Secondary Education Odisha. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏହି ଗ୍ରାମାର ଚାପ୍ଟରଟା ତୁମକୁ ସୁନ୍ଦର ହିସାବରେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଶୈଳୀରେ ବୁଝେଇ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ କିଛି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ୍ ରହିବ ନାହିଁ କାହିଁକି ନା ୟାକୁ ଟେନ୍ସ ଆଉ ଟାଇମ୍ ଭିତରେ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ତା ୟୁଜ୍ଟା ବ୍ୟବହାରଟା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ତମ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଅତି ସହଜ ଆଉ ସରଳରେ ଏଇଟା ବୁଝେଇଦେବି you give your attention to listen to your teacher and try to understand the concept of time and tense where we use the time by using the tense. प्रथमे देखिबा टाइम को आउ टेंस टा केमिति यूज होछि टाइम इज ए natural concept. It has no ending. It is always continuing and overflowing. We will express in minute, hour, day, week, year. ଯେକୌଣସି ସମୟଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିପାରିବା ତେଣୁ we broadly categorize it in 3 parts. That is called period. That is not now or before now. It's called past period and present. Now what is happening, what I am saying, it's present period now, and what yet to be happen, it's future period. That is mean all the periods shows the time. A period ta time दिखाए, not tense. Tense is a grammatical concept. Grammatical concept means we follow certain structural rules and forms and rules of using the tense to express a particular time. अच्छा, वर्तमान present tense और past tense दीटा tense मात्र अछि. The future tense नहीं. I strictly say that there is no future tense. कहीं की कहलो अच्छा एथर को a single verb or single word verb by using the single word verb can you express in future time? No, it's not possible. But you can express in present and past time or tense by using a single verb. Like I go, I went. And can we use the any other form for go to express any future tense? That's not possible. So I say it is said that there is no future tense. And future tense ନାହିଁ. ତେବେ ତମେ ଏଠି କହିବ ଯଦି future tense ନାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ present tense या past tense କୁ କ'ଣ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି future time ଟା ଶୋ କରିପାରିବା? Sure, we can use present tense to express the future time and expression period of future. Let's see how it is possible. In your book, it is given so many sentences. Let us discuss the sentence. How all the sentence shows future time by using present and some modals. Let us discuss it. ପିଲାମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖ ବହିରେ କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଏହାକୁ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ଟାଇମ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ୍ କରୁଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖ ଏଥରକ ସେଇ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଦେଖ we will leave for Puri tomorrow. We are going to leave for Puri tomorrow. We are leaving for Puri tomorrow. We leave for Puri, stay there for 2 days, and come back next Monday. We are to start about to Puri. We are to leave for Puri tomorrow. We will be leaving for Puri tomorrow. All these sentences are expressing future time. But you remember that will is used, but will and shall is are modals. By using the modals, we use present simple tense form to express future meaning. তবে ଏଠି ଏ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ମିନିଂ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ଟାଇମଟା ତ ଶୋ କରୁଛି ତେବେ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ଟେନ୍ସର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ରହିଲା କୋଉଠି? Let us discuss another three sentences that's given in your book. Uh, Sentence number one: Tina will arrive here soon. She is going to have a swim in the river. She has finished his work. You closely mark it. Sentence 1: Will is modal auxiliary used in present tense and means Tina is likely to. So the time of the verb will arrive is future time and a sentence structure is present. And here sentence 2: She is going to have a swim in river. Structure of this sentence is present progressive and showing the time future. And sentence 3: He has finished his work. Here, the structure of the sentence is present perfect and showing the time is past. And you clearly understand that is the structure or tense of the sentence shows different time or different period of time. That is all about your sentence that are given in your book. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଥରକ ଏଇ ବହିରେ ଯେଉଁ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ସେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଦୁଇଟା ଟେନ୍ସରେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ଏହା ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇମକୁ ଶୋ କରୁଛି। ତେଣୁ ଏଥରକ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ବୁଝିଗଲ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି 1ଟାକୁ କରିବା। ଦେଖିବା ଏ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି 1ଟା କ'ଣ କହୁଛି। What does the activity 1 say? Let us do activity 1. You give your close attention to read the sentence in activity 1. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏ ଲାଷ୍ଟ 3ଟା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଏହା present simple structural form showing a time future time show କରୁଛି and sentence tense is different and time also different. These same things is happening if you do activity number 1. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଥର ଚାଲ activity 1ଟା କରିବା। ଦେଖିବା ଏଥର କୋଉ ଟେନ୍ସ ୟୁଜ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ କୋଉ ଟାଇମକୁ ଶୋ କରୁଛି। ଚାଲ ଏଥର you see study the following sentence and underline the verbs. Mention the tense and the time tense were referred to. The first one has been done for you. Question number 1 has been done for you. Mira did not do her homework. It is clearly so that it is a past tense. Past tense. Did not, we use did not showing past time. Past tense and a past time. And question 2. What are going on a picnic tomorrow? You see, there is a present progressive form. Presentative tense is the present progressive or present tense. And show the time future. Identity? Yes. Question 3. There will be a lot of fun. Sure, it is present simple or present form. So the time future. Sentence 4. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tense is present. Time is future. Question 5. Our teacher has given us permission to go on a picnic. It shows the present perfect, that is tense is your present and the time is your past. Question 6. She is also coming with us. It is your present time, present tense, and your time is future. Question 7. We always obey our teacher. It is present time and shows it is present and present time and present tense. Students, so after discussing all the sentences that are given in the activity 1, we find 3 forms of a verb. That is the present simple, a past, and a past participle or verb from 3. You have already uh, known, known the 3 forms of the verb in previous classes. So, while we use PP verb or past participle verb, where we use the things. Past participle form of a verb, we use present perfect or past perfect. And also past participle form of a verb is usually passive sentence. And, all these 3 forms of verb and you know. Then in activity 2, you see so many verbs are given. You change the verb into 3 forms. Some verbs are given in other forms. You fill the another one. Also, it is given and you do yourself. You see the activity 2. Yes. After doing activity 2, we'll go to discuss the uh, form of the verb and uh, each tense divided into categories or segment of the tense in activity 3. Uh, you know that present tense or past tense divided in 4 parts. That is simply present or simply past and present progressive or past progressive, and then present perfect and past perfect. Then present perfect continue and past perfect continue. You know it already before when you writing the simple sentence in your writing. So and এই চারিটা ফর্মରେ ଆମେ ଦୁଇଟା ଟେନ୍ସକୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା ଆଉ ଏ ସବୁ ଯାକ ତିନିଟା ଟାଇମକୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିବା। ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଏଥର ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ କେମିତି ତାକୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିବା এই ତିନିଟା ଟାଇମରେ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି 3ରେ ତାକୁ ଭଲ କ୍ଲୋଜଲି ଲୁକ୍ କରି ଦେଖ। ଦେଖି ସାରିଲ ଏଥରକ। ଆଚ୍ଛା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା ଦେଖ expression of present time. How can we express the 3 times by using the 2 tenses? Here you see expression of present times. How can we express? Here we express by using simply present, present progressive to express present time. Is that it? And to expression of past tense, we use present perfect or past simple, past progressive, past perfect, and past perfect continue to express the past time. You may cite different example or you may form different sentence to express the past tense. Then expression of a future time, we use present tense to express the future time. We use present progressive, present simple, and by using modal to express future times by using present tense. All these are using the time by using tenses. So now we'll discuss where we use present simple form. And ପିଲାମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖ প্রেজেন্টে সিম্পলটা কেউ কেউ ক্ষেত্রে আমি তাকে ব্যবহার করতে পারি। when you write your sentence, you express or you speak and any form of expression in English, you mind you keep your mind the rules of the present simple verbs. Here you see use of present simple, there are some rules. Rule number one, the habitual method or habit. When something is a habit, we use present simple to express. Like he goes to school every day. Father reads newspaper every morning. Many more sentences you will find. There are some adverbs you use to express present simple. That's always, often, never, usually, and sometimes. All these adverbs you may use to express present simple tense by using habitual action. The rule number two, you see. The rule number two is the laws of nature or the scientific truth. That's it. Scientific truth and the law of nature. See, the sun arises in east, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, and water freezes in 0 degree Celsius, and many more uh, uh, natural and scientific truth. The moon has no light. And many more sentences you form by using scientific truth or natural truth. Use present simple. Rule number three, permanent state of fact. That is, what is the fact is a permanent state of the fact. That is, it is permanently person is doing something. Let's see, my mother works in office. That is, the permanent state of what BBS, that Bhajana Sir is the capital of Odisha. All these permanent state of fact. See, rule number four, running commentaries. That is, when you see some cricket match or football match, that's the commentators always speaks that the ball goes and the strike at the gate, the bowler bowls the balls and they goes rapidly. This type of commentary. A commentator use present simple tense to express his commentary. That is your rule number five. The fixed program or timetable. If there is any timetable is fixed, and before we use present simple tense to express the fixed time. Prime Minister comes. Prime Minister comes Bhubaneswar in the next week, and our exam starts in February. This type of a fixed program or fixed timetable can be expressed by present simple form. Here, and rule number six, formal declaration. That's any type of declarations. It's formal. Then use present simple form. I beg your pardon, and let's see. Uh, asking some permissions, that is mm, formal declarations. This type of sentence we use, you always use present simple form of the verb or use present simple form. তাহলে মানে এই এতিকটা রুল প্রেজেন্ট সিম্পল ইউজ করিয়া পাই একটু তবে ভালো ভাবে মনে রাখি একটু তবে ব্যবহার করব সেন্টেন্স রাইটিং করিয়া পাই ସ୍ପିକିଂ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏନି ଫର୍ମ ଅଫ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ୍ এই ରୁଲ୍ ଏତିକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ମନେ ରଖିଥିବ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି 4ରେ ସେ ରୁଲ୍ଟା କେମିତି ବ୍ୟବହାର ହେଉଛି। We will do activity 4 and you use the rules that has been taught in this class. I think it is very easy for you to do the activity number 4. Let us do it. In activity 4, A, fill the blanks with the correct form of verb given in the bracket. He does that The verb get is here. You put generally you put it is present simple form. He gets up early every day. He brushes his teeth and has his bath. He takes a quick breakfast. He does not want to be punished at school, so he sets out early to reach the school in time. He sits on the same bench in my classroom. He has straight hair and a sharp nose. What is his name? Here is the activity 4, and it is very easy for you to do because the rule of present simple has been discussed. You all put present simple form of the verb. ତେବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଥର ତମେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲର ବ୍ୟବହାରଟା ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣିବ। କୌଣସି ଟିକେ ବି ଡାଉଟ୍ ରହିଲା ନାହିଁ କେଉଁ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବ। ତେବେ you all knows the rules and the regulations of our present simple form of verb. In the next class, I will discuss present progressive, present perfect, and present perfect continuous verb. And you keep watch this class because you will understand it very clearly. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଥରକ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସିଭ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଆଉ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ପ୍ରେସରେ ଆସିବି। ତେଣୁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ନ କରିଛ କରିଦିଅ। ମୁଁ ଖୁବ୍ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଆସୁଛି ଏହା ତୁମକୁ ବୁଝାଇବା ପାଇଁ।